Mobile phones or cell phones, as often called by US, have a ridiculous altered two-way people work, sensory organization and entertainment. From this beginning as bar car phones in 1980s, mobile phones have went to become a multimedia communication device with a level of this computer power since in desktop only short of number of this before. Mobile phones benefit. 1. Communication. Mobile phones provide this means to communication with family, friends, workshop and indeed most of this world population instantly. In like previous communication device way we can lead or for this caller all time used to any place where a signal there is a signal. 2. As small and converting. They fit easily into your pocket or bag. They do not weigh much. There are inexpensive model available for this limited budget. This battery gets low. You can recharge then you car plug them into a electrical outlet using a cable or change them wireless in some crash. 3. Photo and video. Many people do not have a camera nowadays because their phone has all this image and video capacity they are required. One of this media has been capacity on this send otherwise emails, messenger or Bluetooth for this internet without just a few clicks. Many people also offer extra source a photo editor. More photo and tech on these mobile phones than traditional camera nowadays, thanks to improvement in technology. 4. Texting. Text message in available people to communication with a short writer messenger. Originally, phone used to SMS technology allowing this sending of letter, number and symbols, but more recently MMS technology allow multimedia source as a photos and videos to be sent. Texting is a great way to send some and important text messenger and unlike email. People are more likely to read text starting. 5. Passion and self-experience. Choosing which is model of people to carry, customizing things like ringtone or buying more personal phone cover having all become a means of this self-experience for mobile phone, improving other that way soft personal you. Entertainment. As long you have your mobile phone, there is a reason to get bored. There is a multimedia of these games to download and play. You can read an online article or getting elevator and social media to face this time. A smartphone allows video watching, well as listening to radio, podcast or music. If you attended a real-life event, you can often store your ticket on your mobile phone display at the door. Mobile phone games are the extremely popular way to people to spend their time. 7. Notes and reminders. whatever shopping list, any important password and application to set into instruction that way be different to memories. Mobile phones with a great way carry notice and reminders. There is does not always have to them from text number return. If you can also photos, audios, videos, recording important information for later use. 8. Video in real time. Many people now like to see personal that way are the talking to us. Always hear this sound. Hope this boys live video set make this possible. Real-time videos also enable this live stream of live event across this internet. Is always other phone device.